Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the space or planet language trend on TikTok. So in here, what you need to do is open your TikTok apps on your phone and click on the search column at the top, and then just find or search for uh, space language filter, this one, and this is the effect. Click on this video icon, then here choose the durations that you want and click on the right button to start recording, and just type in the words. So for example, I'm going to type in Zane like this. Click on OK, click on this check icon. Now this is the result. So that's how you can do the planet language trend on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.